It's 12 o'clock p.m. Saturday, July 18, 2020. My brand new LG air conditioner units, only 1 year old, and they're still working very good. And it is a hot, muggy, humid day today, 31 degrees Celsius. I decided to make a little air conditioning video. So this is the 12,000 and 8,000 BTU. That's the living room air conditioning unit. That seems to be working fine. Seems to be working okay. Here's the bedroom unit. Sure is humid out today, hot and humid. The bedroom unit, it's on, and it seems to be working fine. It's not making any funny noises. I mean the air conditioner shouldn't be making funny noises because they are brand new. They're only 1 year old. I bought them last year. So they're working very good for me. They're both blowing cold air for me. Let's have a listen to the compressor. There's the condenser coils. On the outside is the condenser coils. It's blowing hot air out too. It's really, really hot. working good. Okay, so this is the LG 12,000 BTU in the living room, and it's working very good. It's blowing very cold air for me. Nice red trim to it. It's on high, it's on full blast, and I have it hooked up to a real thermostat here, and also a 24-hour on and off timer. I have it to on. I gotta switch it over to auto, but so it's working really good for me. And this is the night light here. And the night light is actually tricking the thermostat on the air conditioner on itself. As I mentioned, it's also Wi-Fi, so I can turn my air conditioner on and off through the internet. Like anywhere I go, I can turn the air conditioner on and off using my phone with the LG app. So it's all Wi-Fi hooked up to the internet, which is pretty cool. And the night light here is used to trick the thermostat on the AC. So if I turn it up to 30, like if I turn her up to cool on 30 degrees Celsius automatic, the compressor's still going to stay on for me, because right now the thermostat on the air conditioner is thinking that it's very hot, like it's thinking it's 40 degrees Celsius. And the night light, the heat off the night light, the little thermostat sensor bulb underneath the night light, and it is tricking the air conditioner, or it's actually tricking the thermostat on the air conditioner, keeping my compressor on for me. And if I want my air conditioner to work normally, you know, what I do is I just turn the night light off. I just unplug it. That's what I do. And I think I'll set it at 22 at a comfortable temperature. And just to prove it, so it goes as low as 16, but I wouldn't turn the thermostat any lower than 70 or 20 or 21 degrees Celsius. I wouldn't go any lower than 20, but I'm going to set it at 22. That should be cool enough for me. So it's working really good for me. It's working very good. Let you listen to it for a couple minutes. And inside the evaporator coil, Here's the LG 8000 BTU air conditioner unit. Bedroom. Here's the bedroom LG 8000. It is working very good. It's blowing cold air for me. And it's the fan speed is set to medium. And I also have it hooked up to a night light here. So the heat off the night light tricks the thermostat. As we're set up to 225 degrees Celsius right now. And a little thermostat sensor wire ball is one underneath the night light. And this is used to trick the thermostat on the air conditioner. And there's that little sensor bulb right there, right underneath the night light. And the heat off the night light tricks the unit. And this doesn't make your air colder. All it does is the thermostat is at its maximum, it's at its highest setting, and it's thinking, the thermostat's thinking it's 40 degrees. So it's working very good for me. It's blowing cold air, and there's high. Now it's on high now. Normally I just want it on medium. So I just put that back to medium. And I'm not going to run my air conditioners on low because that would kill my efficiency. I won't go any lower than medium. Air conditioner in the living room set for high, fan speed. Yeah, air conditioner in the living room set for high, and then one in the bedroom set for medium. So it's working very good for me. And I'm going to plug the night light, plug it. And set the thermostat to 22 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you can see that, I know, a little blurry, but 30. I'll show you how low it goes. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. So the air conditioner goes as low as 16 degrees Celsius, or that would be 60 Fahrenheit. And the air conditioner goes as high as 30 degrees Celsius, or 86 Fahrenheit. And they recommended that you don't go any lower than 20 or 68 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set it at 22. That should be cool enough for me. It's working really good for me. This is the bedroom unit. It's nice and cold. I'll shut up, I'm talking too much. So today is Saturday, July 18, 2020. Hard to believe, almost half the summer's gone already. It's hot and humid out there today. So yeah, earlier this air conditioner in the bedroom was making a slight funny noise, like on the outside fan, like it was vibrating on something. But did that for about a minute, but then the funny noise went away, and it seems it's actually bedroom air conditioner is working perfectly normal now. So maybe there's something wrong with electricity. I don't know. But it's working good now. This is the 8,000 BTU. I bought the air conditioners 1 year ago and they're still working very good. And the evaporator coil, which is in here, got your compressor in there and everything. This here is pulling all the humidity out. Back of the unit, I don't know if you can see it, there it is. My heater. And plug-in thermostat, which is neat. Turns off at 24 and it's off. Turn it back on again. I turn it down. Now it's on. We got the 24-hour on and off timer too, which is pretty neat. There's my 24-hour on and off timer. Hard to see it though, but we got a switch on the top here. Switch, hang on, let me get the light. Okay, so there's the thermostat. Yeah, turn that up. 24, 25. Let's turn it all the way down there to 5. So it is. And it's got a heat and cool switch on the back of it, so you can plug an electric heater in this thermostat and set it, and then it turns your space heater on. And it's all electronic too. The thermostat uses a microchip to sense the temperature, so it doesn't work. It's not like those Honeywell thermostats that has the coil springs in it, you know, because with the coil springs they read the temperature, but this one here, it's all electronic and it just senses the temperature in the room using a microchip, so it's pretty accurate. It's pretty cool. And here is my 24-hour on and off timer right there, and the air conditioner's on there. See, there's a 24-hour on and off timer, and I have the thermostat here plugged in to the 24-hour on and off timer. And you got your switch here on the top. I don't know if you can see it. That's set to on right now, so I want it to be on automatic. And switch it to automatic. There. And it turns off the air conditioner. Now here's the air conditioner again, I showed you before. LG 12,000 in the living room. And I also have it hooked up to the 24-hour on and off timer and plug-in thermostat. Now this is a grandfather timer. I have 3 grandfather timers here in my place. The hardware stores no longer make timers like these anymore. This is a 24-hour on and off timer, and I'll keep it forever. It should last me for a very long time. And it's set to on switch. It's on, and the plug-in thermostat here. Now if I just turn that up, it's set to 5, set to cool in 5 degrees Celsius. I just turn her up there to 15, 20, it's at 20 now. Blurry, come on. Blurry. I just turn it up there, 23, 23, 24, 25. Turns off at 26 degrees Celsius. Turns back on at 25 anyhow. It's about 25 in here. A little bit cooler than outside, but that's pretty cool though. Yep. That's cool. So, roll thermostat here. Whoa! You go. And your switch. On automatic. Automatic mode. There. These air conditioners are set to turn on and off automatic to save money on the landlord's hydro bill. I do have respect for that. I do care about saving energy and consumption on the grid, on the hydro system, and keeping the hydro down for the landlord because they gotta pay for it. So I do have respect for that, and I do care on saving energy for the landlord's hydro bill. Laugh out loud. 24 in here. Time to turn the heat on. Cool on 20 degrees Celsius. The heat on 25 degrees Celsius. It is 23 degrees in here right now. Heater's on. It's hot. Thermostat up there. Heater's on, it's hot. Don't need that on. 50-inch Sharp TV, living room, brand new. There it is. Brand new 50-inch Sharp TV living room. Satellite TV. And I have it screwed down there too. It's all screwed down so it can't go anywhere. And 2x4s are screwed down there as well too, see? So yeah, brand new 50-inch satellite TV. Living room. And also brand new 43-inch Sharp TV living room. I mean 43-inch Sharp TV bedroom. And there it is in the bedroom. Satellite receiver. Living room. 50-inch Sharp TV living room.
How many Sarahs do you think are on this island? Sarah! Sit!
$43-inch Sharp TV bedroom satellite TV. The bedroom TV.
Stop breathing.